I haven't had to make one of these for a while. Honestly, just don't enjoy making them anymore. I used to make them for fun occasions. I made the first one for my wife. I made another one for my mom on Mother's Day. I'm making this one for my brother, but not for a good reason.
He recently lost his son.
And now him and his wife are having to just deal with that in general. One thing about Liam is he always brightened up a room. He made everybody happy. He was a miracle baby when he was first born. They all got together and prayed for him. I guess the Lord did heal him. Just wasn't the way we expected. Otherwise I wouldn't be making this rose. I don't normally paint these. But I think I'm going to paint this in blue. Not because he was a boy, but because he loved Blue's Clues. He was all about that show. I know this rose isn't gonna fade away, just like our memory of him won't go away. That's why I like making these. That's what it represents to me now. We're always gonna remember Liam. And this is my way of making something that'll last as long as his memory will. A rose that'll never wilt. In the description below, I'll have a link. You can go give to the GoFundMe page if you feel led to do so. We could certainly use not just your prayers, but obviously they're facing a financial burden as well.